Do you appreciate music? Do you appreciate music more when it sounds better? Listen to your music the way the artist intended. But here's the real secret. I'm not talking about a $100,000 home sound system. Today, we'll be diving into the Sony Mobile ES amplifiers. ES stands for Elevated Standard. And we got them here today. We have a 5-channel to show off and the monoblock, but we'll go over the entire line. So let's crack it open. Here we go. What do we have inside here? This was the beautiful bass knob that Joel can't wait to see. Okay, drop the box. The one thing about the Elevated Standard series is sleek design. They're definitely beautiful amplifiers, and I just love the way, you know, they brand it with the ES in the center. You know, you got Sony over here. But that is it. I mean, really, this look can kind of fit in any kind of install. All right, let's crack open the monoblock that we got here too. And there you have it. So let's get into it. So as I was kind of saying before, if you just take one look at these, you can really see how well they're built. And it even has some hidden dials under this plate. So let's crack it open. I got my handy dandy screwdriver right here. It does have a reversible badge right here, so all you gotta do is you just slide it forward, comes off. So if we wanted to reverse it, we could go this way. Now it's facing me. Again, solid metal, so it looks and feels great, very sturdy. Gold-plated terminals too. The series features 5 options. We have a monoblock, which we're featuring here today. We also have 4-channel available, 5-channel, 6, and 8-channel. This right here is the 5-channel. All ES multi-channel amplifiers feature signal summing, which combines separate audio signals from your customer's factory audio system. This allows your customer to keep the factory head unit while improving overall sound. Along with signal summing, these amps also feature preamp outputs, allowing you, the installer, to send signals to separate amps for even more design options. All that amazing sound comes from Sony's years of engineering expertise. This can really be seen under the hood of every ES amp. The power supply block is optimally designed for low noise but highly efficient power transmission. Each channel block and Class D amplification section are isolated with dedicated ground circuitry to help minimize signal interference for cleaner audio reproduction. A cross-brace bottom plate reduces resonance from road noise, significantly improving damping performance. The dials under the plate are thoughtfully placed and clearly labeled for intuitive operation and installation. Both the monoblock and 5-channel amplifiers come with this beautiful bass knob. Ooh, check it out. Here we go. Joel likes this bass knob because he thinks it looks really OEM, which I agree. It definitely has like a OEM factory fit finish kind of going on with it. The Sony Mobile ES series is engineered for premium listening on the road. These amplifiers can start or complete your customer's Sony ES system, with the ES lineup offering head units, speakers, subwoofers, and amplifiers for a complete setup. Thanks for tuning in. Please make sure to log into davisdealers.com or call your Davis salesperson for more info and availability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a product spotlight, Orange Couch Crush, or the latest podcast episodes. Got questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. See you guys next time.